Hey everybody, welcome back. So if you saw one of my previous videos where I unboxed these two really cool Star Z-70Bs, video link up here in the top right, that I'd gotten from Centerfire Systems, you guys know that they had multiple shipments of them come in. Well, one of the things that you didn't see very much of were magazines for these things. Anytime they did have them, they sold out very quickly. So I was fortunate enough to get in on the most recent batch of mags that came in. That's what we're going to take a look at today. I got 4 of the larger ones. I want to say they were about 20 each, and then I wanted to also, because since I got my kits early, I didn't get the sling and the all the cool stuff that came with them. I got some of the cool stuff. I didn't get a sling though. But they also had some of the blue, I think they're blue or turquoise looking slings for like, I don't even remember. It was like 17, I think. And then they also had some Cetme small parts that were running like, I think 26, and I was like, well, that would be kind of nice to have because you have your paddle mag release. And for those of you that have gotten Cetme kits, that might prove to be something useful, especially if you mess it up whenever you're doing your builds. So without further ado, we're going to take a look at this, see what kind of condition you guys can expect. Should they get more of them in? Should you guys go and buy some from them? I do believe, well, right off the bat, big shout out to Centerfire Systems for this. No, they're not sponsoring this. Yes, I did get this myself, or my own, by my own means, we'll say. Now, I do believe if they've sold out by the time this video comes out, I think there's some other places where you can find these things. So just keep that in mind. And as you guys full well know, there's been multiple shipments of these things come in as well as the mags. So let me get my pesky packing slip out of the way. Give me just a moment. This is the first time I've actually seen it's a very different packing slip than what I normally see. Now I will tell you that Cetme C small parts bag has a rear sight base, mag catch, trigger pins, and takedown pin. So I only got one of those because I was curious to see what it's like. I got 4 of those larger mags, and I got 2 of the Z-70 canvas slings. So let's just see what you guys can expect. Oh, this is cool. Alright, so let's take a look at these slings first. So like I was saying, these slings are like a turquoise color, but if you look at these slings, guys, these things look brand new. The leather is in phenomenal, well, maybe not. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty phenomenal shape. Now there might need to be a little bit of maybe some minkle or something like that rubbed on them just to condition them a little bit. But the webbing looks good. The clips look good. Really good condition. Buckles are not rusted. I mean, I've seen slings guys come in and look atrocious, and these look new old stock. Super happy about that. Now there's some other really cool things in here. I'll save the best for last though. So this is that Cetme small parts bag, and like I said, this would be very useful for those of you that want to complete your kits. Should you mess up some parts, or should you get one that doesn't come with some parts, like this one right here, that's highly beneficial and very important. Which appears to not be, maybe I just can't apply enough pressure. Something going on there. I'm not really sure what's up with that. But anyway, I know that paddle mag release works, but I'm probably just not doing it right. Of course, you have the rear side assembly, and then you have your pins. Those tend to get lost sometimes, so it's really nice to have those. Save the best for last. But let's check out the condition of these mags. I'm very curious to see what they look like. So here are those mags. And guys, quite honestly, yes, the Star Z-70B mags are a little crude, a little bit rough, but these things are in wonderful shape. They look as though they've probably never been used. Look at those chrome followers. Nice and shiny. Rear lugs, I mean, you can tell they've probably been inserted a little bit, but I mean, that one's got a couple of strange black stickers on it for some reason, but the bases look great. There's no dents, no dings. those are some cool mags. Very happy about that. But they did include something pretty cool. Now, I won't say his name on air, but the warehouse manager, I do know, and I said, hey man, I was like, it would have been really cool if I could have got some of those patches that you guys shipped out with these kits. I want to say it was the second wave of ones that came through. They weren't included with the first wave of these kits, but they did include them with the second wave. And, you know, it's just something neat, I guess, to have. You know, some cool swag. And I told him, I said, man, it'd be really cool if I had, you know, a couple of them. He said, well, hey, how many kits did you get? I said, well, I got 2. He's like, well, I'll see what I can do. So they threw in some stickers and threw in a couple of the cool patches. So big shout out to the warehouse manager. You know who you are. I'm not sure if you want me saying your name on YouTube or not, so I'll just keep my mouth shut in that regard. But that's pretty cool. Looks exactly like the front of the box here. That's really cool. That's something you could easily throw on a bag, throw on a jacket. You know, if you wanted to run something like this at Kalash Bash, should you get it completed, whatever. Well, actually, maybe more likely lethal weapons, but still something really cool. Of course, they do have the Velcro backing there, so that's awesome. So big shout out to the warehouse, or I guess not the warehouse, he is the wholesale accounts manager. You know who you are, and I know you watch my videos, so thank you very much for including those cool swag items. Happy to have those. And once again, slings look phenomenal, mags look phenomenal, and my spare parts look great too. So just wanted to share this with you guys today. If you got one of these kits and you wanted some more mags for it, I'm pretty sure they'll probably get more in. Just shoot them an email or get them on the phone. Say, hey, you guys plan on getting more of these in? I'm not sure myself. I don't know. I know they were waiting a long time to get these in, and I'm a little bit slow on the uptake in terms of getting videos out, unfortunately. And I'm just going to tell you guys the honest truth. I got back from Kalash Bash, had a family member die, then not long after that, both my kids got the flu, so we've been fighting that, dealing with that. And this is really the first chance I've had to actually sit down and do a video. So life happens sometimes. It just is what it is. You got to roll with the punches. So anyway, just wanted to share this with you guys today. Once again, big shout out to Centerfire Systems for all the cool things that they bring into this country, and for sending me some cool swag items. Love that. As always, guys, if you haven't considered subscribing, please do so. I know I don't have very many subscribers. Don't really have any sponsors for that matter. But, you know, I try to grow the channel any way I can. Of course, subscription costs you nothing. And then you guys can always hit the bell notification. So if I'm on my A game and I get stuff like this out, you guys will have an opportunity at it, typically before somebody else, hopefully. I got to be very careful about what I put out there, because the overlords like to strike you sometimes, we'll say, unfortunately. That's why a lot of my shorts are gone. But just wanted to share this with you guys today. As always, big shout out to my subscribers, and thank you guys in advance for all your likes, your shares, your comments. Until next time, you guys have a great day.